we have tennis ball bouncing on the ground. It goes 80, and then it goes 60. It says it's geometric sequence. So it says find the common ratio. It's 60 over 80. All right, which is going to give me 3/4 if I reduce it to the calculator, or you can use 0.75, so that's the ratio. It says find the height it bounces on the 10th time. So let's circle the formula, it's that one. So let's see, U1 is 80, so it's 80 times 3/4 to the 10 minus 1. 80 times 3/4 So 6.006, which is 6.01, rounded to the nearest 3 significant figures, because remember, the 1 significant, the 6 is significant, so the 0 has to also be significant. There's how high it bounces in the 10th thing. Get the total distance traveled by the ball during the first 6 bounces up and down. So now this, you've really got to think about, okay? So the total distance that it bounces is going to be, so it bounces 80, then it bounces 60. So it says the height the ball bounces the first time is 80. So it goes up 80, and this isn't a typical IB question. It goes up 80 and then down 80, and then up 60 and then down 60, and then up whatever and down whatever. So we got to count everything twice. So we're going to have to find the sum of the first 6 bounces. So, sorry, let me use a different color here. It's that formula right there. So it's 80 times 3/4 to the 6th minus 1 over 3/4 minus 1. But we're going to have to multiply that by 2 to get our number. So it's 80 times 3/4. To the 8 minus 1. Over 3/4 minus 1. Okay, now let's say it's around it. It said you have your answer in 2 decimal places, and I also have to multiply it by 2. So I'm going to get that times 2, and then I'm going to do that division right there. Now I can type that in division. I'm going to show you this. So math, that thing right there. The first one turns a decimal into a fraction. The second one turns a fraction into a decimal. Just going to do that. So it's 575.93. If you divide it, you get the same thing. So 575.93. The evil part of this was that times 2, because it has to go up and down each time. And I was kind of thinking that maybe it didn't even do that until I kind of drew the picture. But that's what happens with it.